welcome to At Home with Ros Emely. I'm Ros Emely, and today I have a super delicious family recipe: how to make quick and easy Dominican steak with bell peppers and onions. So good, guys. You can serve this with white rice, moro. You can also serve it with beans. That's what I did. I served it with white rice and lentils. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, to give it a like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. Are you ready to make this delicious, quick, and easy Dominican steak recipe? Let's get started. Guys, so we're starting with about a pound of beef chuck cut into strips. I already cleaned it with lime juice and drained it with water. We're also gonna need vegetables, and I love these fresh vegetables. We have white onions, we have fresh cilantro, green and red bell peppers, and 3 garlic cloves finely chopped. We're gonna add this to our steak. We're also gonna start seasoning it, and you can season salt and pepper to taste, but I am adding about 3 teaspoons of salt, a pinch of ground black pepper. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of worcestershire sauce. It adds so much flavor. A teaspoon of dried oregano or Dominican oregano, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and now we're gonna mix very well. Now in my stove, in my pan, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and I'm cooking at medium-high heat. We're gonna add half a tablespoon of brown sugar. You can use granulated sugar as well, and wait until it starts to caramelize. Once it's caramelizing, we're gonna add our steak, and be careful if you burn yourself. I'm gonna add all the steak, and we're gonna let this cook for about 5 minutes on medium-high heat. After the 5 minutes, we're gonna flip them over to the other side. As you can see, it's starting to get some color. So good. This recipe is super easy Dominican steak recipe with bell peppers and onions. We're gonna add the rest of the vegetables, the onions, bell pepper, cilantro, and garlic, and let this cook for about 10 minutes on medium-high heat. After the 10 minutes, look how good, guys. Our vegetables are starting to get nice and soft and tender. Look at the juice that the steak released. Now we're gonna add tomato sauce or pasta sauce, about 2 tablespoons of pasta sauce, and a little bit of water just so it can be nice and saucy. We're gonna mix a little bit. And now we're gonna cover this up and cook for 15 minutes on medium heat. After the 15 minutes, our delicious Dominican steak with onions and bell peppers is done. Look how good, guys. Now we're ready to serve. Here it is. Super simple, super quick, so delicious and full of flavor. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you on my next video.
You're my best friend.